Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Welcome guys to Living Life with Rick and Jerry. Today we got for you a new little nifty thing that Jerry bought for me. This is a, hair removal waxing kit, right? Right, Jerry?
Yep.
So Jerry wants me to look like this guy here. So she wants me to wax my chest and my armpits. I'm totally kidding. Jerry actually bought it for herself. Jerry's gonna be doing her legs and her armpits and all this other stuff. And she wants me to wax my gooch area. So let's see how it is. So this one was, how much was it, Jerry? 20?
I think it was 23.
So it was 23 bucks. It's called Blitz Wax. You guys see that? Blitz Wax. It's pretty neat. It's 100 watts, 110 volts, so you can use it in any plug. And it's supposed to be a whole waxing kit. So let's go ahead and open it up. We're gonna be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to get it. So this is what it comes with. You've got some large, I guess, sticks.
They're application strips.
Application sticks. So okay, so I don't even know what to do. Jerry knows. Yeah. And here is some smaller ones.
So those are like if you're gonna do your eyebrows or your bikini area or some are small.
Okay. And then it says you got a free gift if you scan it. I guess meaning if you register it. So that's cool. Now you got the, what are these?
Those are the wax paper strips.
So wax paper strips. It comes with quite a couple of them. Pretty cool. And then we got the actual Blitz Wax hard wax beans. So these are the things that are gonna go into the wax machine or the wax heater. So that way you can start pulling out some hairs. And it comes with 2, right? So it comes with some dark beads for very, very coarse hair. And then it comes with purple beads for, I guess, lighter hair, like what? Like maybe some...
Like your eyebrows.
Eyebrows or
your
lips,
mustache or your chin.
So this is for your, those super thick hairs, legs. This is going to be for like small stuff, your chin, your lips.
Or you can use...
I mean, I'm pretty sure you can use it for heavy hair too. But.
Yeah. Okay,
so yeah, so you get 5 of these. I count 2 black and 3 purple. Alright, and then it also comes with a pre-wax treatment spray. So so you can clean up that the area so that wax can attach to the hair. And then it also comes with a after wax treatment spray, so that way your skin gets nice and lubricated so it doesn't dry out and potentially, you know, prevent bacteria from forming and stuff like that if you start bleeding and stuff. So it comes with 60 milliliters of that. And here's the star of the show, the actual wax heater machine. Let me take off the lid first. Nice little purple lid. And then we got the actual machine. So let's get this box out of the way. And this is the actual machine. It's called Blitz Wax. And what's cool about this one is that it has a temperature dial, but it actually tells you the temperature on the top. So you're not, you're not confused on how hot that wax is. And it has the little tub tray that you can easily remove. So that way you can clean out the actual tray itself. And there you go, that's the machine. Here's the bottom of it. Nice little thing here. So it's a neat little thing, right, Jerry?
Yeah.
And here's the prong, 3-prong. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do my armpit. I don't really want to do it, but Jerry's like, no, we gotta do yours. Since you want to do a video where you gotta do your armpit. I was like, all right, whatever. If I cry, Jerry, this is your fault.
No, it's your fault.
Alrighty guys, so I have it connected right now. Let's see here. It says it's gonna be at 100. Set it to medium, 195 to 240 degrees, according to the instructions. So we're gonna go by that. So I'm gonna set it to medium. 195 degrees. I don't want to singe my skin. Alright, so now that we have that, Jerre, hold the wire up so it doesn't go anywhere. And then I'm gonna open this up. What should we do? Hard wax week? The black one? My armpit here. Alright, so
Your hair is very fine.
So you want to do purple?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna do purple for my armpit. Let's see. So we don't need a lot. I don't really have a lot of armpit hair. I hope my hair doesn't come back like twice as much. Is that good?
Yeah.
That's good enough. That should be good. See? It's not a lot in there. I don't want to do my armpit though. I want to do something else, like my leg or something. Because what if I do my armpit and like I don't like the way it feels, you know what I mean?
Oh, now you're scared, huh?
I am scared! Alright, so it says to put the lid on so that way it can melt the beads a lot quicker. So yeah, we'll leave it like that and we'll leave it warming up and we'll come back when it's warmed up. Alrighty guys, so now that this thing is ready, we're gonna show you guys real quick. Check it out. Thing is fully melted in there. Oh, my little stick is falling in there. Alright, so we're gonna start putting this on my armpit. Jerre, you owe me.
Alright, you ready?
No.
Alright, so
Oh god.
we're gonna apply the way the hair grows. So the hair grows down, so we're gonna put it down. Stop being a baby. Alright.
It's gonna hurt.
Alright, here we go. And so to apply it kind of thick at the end, so that way you have
something to grab.
something to grab.
Ooh, it's kind of warm.
Sorry.
I'm not gonna lie. It's not burning, but it's like it's warm. Like you can tell it's warm.
Yeah.
Oh man. Okay.
Oh my god.
Not put more. I think you should have used the big stick for
Me
grouping.
too. Alright. So
My poor hairs. I should have cut my armpit hair a little bit, no?
no, you're good.
You sure?
You're good.
It's not too long? It says to do it at 1/4 of an inch. Ow! Ow! It's already pulling it.
Alright, I think we're ready.
Better. Oh my god.
I think we're ready.
I gotta brace myself. Is it cold enough? Oh god. My poor armpit. Am I good? Am I good on the camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. You're not even looking at me.
Yeah, you're good. Alright, so just to let it cool. As you can see, it's already kind of pliable. No wax on my fingers. Are you ready, babe? So it says when you remove the hair, to remove it from
Opposite of the
hair growth. So I should have put more on the bottom, but are you ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Alright. There you go. It's starting.
Oh god. Ah! God damn it! Ah!
Alright, ready? Give me take a break. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? Give me take a break. 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And I guess that we could do this. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I thought we were done
We're
already.
not done.
Oh my god.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go. I have to say, babe, your kids look beautiful. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
What the heck? My hair is still going. I thought we were done.
You have a lot of hair. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
I think we should.
Do we need to put more?
I think we should.
Oh.
Because you still have like some stragglers right?
Oh my god.
Dude, you are hairless.
Ow.
Beautiful.
Okay, finish it off. Hurry up. I'm tired.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Jerre. Oh.
Ready?
I'm shaking. Oh no, please.
Just like a baby.
I am a baby. Oh, big baby.
I'm just like putting it on the parts. I'm putting it on the parts that.
Huh?
I'm putting it on the parts that. What you call it? All right. So we put up the second amount now to get the stragglers. Your stuff looks so beautiful though. Oh my gosh, I can't wait.
Oh, I'm gonna do it to you now. I'm gonna payback. Payback, Jerre. Karma. Ready? Oh god.
Ready?
Oh no. Oh no. Ready? Subscribe, guys, please. Ah! Subscribe! Ah! Hit the like button, please. I didn't do this for nothing. God dang it. Oh god. Oh god. Ah! Oh.
Ready? Ready?
Ah!
Dude, your pits look beautiful. Can we do the other
Ah!
side?
Oh.
Wait, why is it this smooth?
Oh. Are we done?
I
Am
think
I
so.
smooth? Am I silky smooth? Like scrappy cocoa?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm proud of you. You did good. For your first time, you did really good. Can't wait till you get in your gooch.
What? Who said I was gonna do my gooch?
Not on camera.
I don't want to do it on camera or off camera.
You're gonna do it off camera. We're gonna do it together. Alright, so we're gonna apply the after wax. Because now that his skin is silky smooth. Okay, we're gonna spray.
And what's this for? For what?
So this is the after wax. So this is gonna make it like.
After wax treatment. It contains aloe vera oil, which will further reduce the chance of inflammation that may occur after waxing. What? My skin's gonna get inflamed?
Maybe. Not all
Oh
the time.
man. So it's a blend of oils: mineral oil, aloe vera, and acetate and vitamin E. Oh man.
Alright.
Am I silky smooth, guys? Oh. Let's show the strips. Dude, look at the strips. Look at my hair. My poor hair. Jerre. Oh my god, look at. Oh, dude. This is your turn now. Alrighty, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my misery. But again, this is the Blitz Wax hair removal waxing kit that we got from Amazon. It's $23, $23.98. I think it's a well worth product. My armpits feel really silky smooth. I'm not gonna lie. But I mean, it's painful for me, but maybe for you girls that enjoy the pain, I don't know, Jerre might enjoy the pain. It's something for you guys. For me, I think I'm done with it, but it does remove hair really well. So, link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more Live Life with Rick and Jerre. And we also have a podcast, so you guys can check that out. So, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.